The international ventilation manufacturer, has expanded their extensive residential range to include a positive input ventilation system, otherwise known as PIV. The PIV system has been designed to combat the fact that residents spend 90% of their time indoors and more often than not surround themselves by toxic air quality. Two products have been designed. The loft unit sits in the loft space and continually draws air through the natural leakage and ventilation points from outside, which is then fed through a filter into the property via a central hallway diffuser. The wall unit works in the same way, but is directly ducted to the outside and situated discreetly in the property. We are here with the style designer of this product, architect Daniel Piva, a long-standing partner for functional design studies of several products included in the Vortis catalogue. Daniel, thanks for joining us today. So tell us, how did you join the PIV project development team?
Good afternoon and thanks for having me. The Vortis management team asked me to cooperate with the PIV working group, including the engineer and designer. The objective was to provide a product specification suitable for the UK market, having an Italian design and different shape and feature to competitor product. The aim was to give recognition to the Italian company in the UK market.
What was the idea, the conceptual path that led to the design of the lines of the new PIV wall?
I started with the product specification and technical brief, and then worked with the technical feasibility of the product. This was considered alongside the requirement and the cost constraint. At this point, the team were unsatisfied with the distinctiveness and recognizability of the product. Therefore, a new improved design was required to set it apart in the marketplace, recognizing our love for functionality and Italian design.
Can you please tell us about the design journey for the style of the PIV wall?
We start by analyzing the general layout of the brief, which achieved all the required technical and functional objectives. But it lacks some of the Italian design flair, which is an important part of the Vortis ethos. The first study proposed standard technology and material for ventilation, such as the use of sheet metal and visible fixing. All very functional, but with little different from the product already on the market. The visible fastening of the various parts of the product also gave a feeling of a basic finished product.
Do technologies influence product design?
Of course, they have a big part to play, along with the sales forecast volume, as this influences the equipment and material that can be used when making design choices.
So what direction have you taken for product development?
We have tried to apply construction concepts, such as minimizing component assembly, ensure essential and simple line, which often combine aesthetic appeal and ease of production in the assembly and installation. Chooses technical solutions that are integrated into the aesthetic, facilitating operation, restoration and maintenance of the product. This led to development of a design with a very few visible mechanical fixing. We think we have achieved a good result. There has been certain aesthetic evolution of the wall product. Initially, the use of sheet metal with larger connection radius to improve the product appearance. Vortis have used injection plastic panel for the removable and reconfigurable part, such as the cover part of the display and airflow, inlet and outlet vents. But for the simplicity of construction, both in production and installation of the product, this design did not fully satisfy us. For us, the goal of hiding the operator and installer is a must.
So did this make you lean towards a change in the technologies and materials used?
Yes, definitely. First and foremost, the requirement to reduce the number of components to be assembled, and at the same time, made the product light and versatile. Consideration was taken to ensure that the PIV wall could be installed by a single person and will be required to be in the height of about 2.3 meters from the floor. Therefore, a ladder will be required. The decision was made to use a lighter and robust material, expanded polypropylene. This has been used previously on heat recovery unit, where Vortis has a great experience. This choice allows us to revolutionize the product architecture, achieving the result we wanted. Technical and cost performance, lightness, high thermal insulation of the material, which is also eco-friendly because the base material is recyclable. The shell of the PIV wall could become a bicycle, helmet, a child seat or other after decommissioning. Simplicity of construction, assembly and installation. Soft, simple line with no visible fixing. Versatility of the product. The material, together with a specific mold finish process, allow the unit to have an embossed surface. The material is easy to clean, use a simple cloth and non-aggressive detergent. Durable and is acoustic announced to reduce noise transfer. The decision was made to finish the PIV wall in a white color to enable it to complement the aesthetic of the home.
So there was a great attention to detail.
Yes, a box can be a simple cuboid or something that attracts attention. Consideration was given to the choice of material and the finish of the logo was discussed in depth. Multiple computer graphics, renderings and physical samples were produced before the final decision was made. This decision was an important one, as this unit potentially be the first PIV range in a series of Vortice products.
So why is the product described as versatile?
It meets a variety of installation options for different types of property. With this PIV unit being retrofitted, the installation can be complicated. Together with the Vortice R&D engineer, we have therefore designed the product to have a variety of installation solutions, such as the possibility to disassemble and rotate the site, to reposition the inlet and outlet vent, to ensure occupants' comfort.
Just one last question. How is the product environmentally friendly?
Vortice are always looking for the best environmental solution and to reduce the carbon footprint. The product was designed using recyclable material and packaging which is acoustically enhanced to reduce noise pollution. Spare parts are essential to ensure unnecessary wastage of the product. The unit is designed for disassembling to aid in maintenance, repair and disassembly for recycling at the end of life.